this is a normal thing to do, but today I'm picking up sticks. Taking a little peek at the dwarf Alberta spruce. Looks good. Still have a hole though. Here's an update on the peonies that I just pruned. Coral, I think they're just called coral peonies. They're really cool looking and growing a lot. I know I said I was picking up sticks, but don't you think the Zinfandel would be way better back there, filling up this whole space, and then this obelisk be right here? Okay, and so in preparation of possibly moving the Zinfandel hydrangea here, I'm just gonna, they just pop off. These are gladiolus leaves. We planted gladiolus here, but there's no sun, so they never have flowers. But they do come back over here. Maybe I'll dig them up when I plant, and if I plant the Zinfandel here. Oh yeah, there's a yellow rose here. Maybe I need a different place. What is this? Thistle? Thistle. Ugh. If I do get rid of this obelisk, I have to cut these Clematis. This is the Ernst Markham, and there's either one or two on the other side. I can't remember what they are. So I don't see any new doors yet though. You're supposed to wait for this group of Clematis that this Ernst Markham is in. You wait until spring growth to trim off all this dead stuff. I might just go for it before I see anything. I need the rake. Just pull off the brown leaves. There's a campanula somewhere here. And we planted a foxglove, but I think it's gone. They're biennial. There's the campanula. Okay, it's good enough. Actually, of course, I'm going to do some of it by hand. This is a heuchera. It came in a package, or in like a combined mix of flowers. I think that's the one. It gets pretty big right now. Little new flowers are little. New leaves. And there's a Veronica. Two Veronicas here. One there and one there. This sedum will grow if you just throw it. So I'm just gonna throw it into the dirt. Stone crop. It has roots like all along the stem. Okay, here I go. I'm nervous to cut the clematis. Clematis. But I'm going in. We'll give them 5 inches. Or so. Okay. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but if you break a piece, which I just did, ignore my cut finger. Hold on. I don't know if you can see, but there's green in there. That means it's alive. This looks like some sticks sticking out of the ground, but let's see if there's any growth down there. Oh, look at that. And that right there is new clematis. So we have at least one. There's one down here, there. Yeah, so we're good. Welcome back, Ernst. So there's the Ernst Markham, and then here is the one I don't know. We got it at Walmart for like $5. Or no, it was Lowe's. It performed a lot better than I thought it would. Let's see, any new growth down there? No, not that I can see. Oh, wait. Do you see it? Right there. So we're good. Well, since we're cutting clematis, I might as well do this one. Apparently it's good to cut your clematis down to 5 inches the first year you have it, and then after that 6 to 12 inches. I don't know why. You think you just cut it down to the ground since the new stems come up from the bottom, but maybe it's so it doesn't get lost. I don't know. I don't see any new growth. This is not it. This is Vinca. Oh! That's new growth. Okay, so I wasn't paying attention, and look, I cut off tons of new leaf buds. Ugh. Know your clematis group. I wish I knew the name of this clematis. It's white. If you know in the comments, I'll put up a picture. Please let me know. It's okay. There's new growth from the ground, so. Aw. I'm just sitting here behind the boat contemplating what to do with the weeping pussy willow and looking at the Zinfandel, and I just realized this whole branch is broken right here. Darn. Also, I think I heard it with the hose right here. Shouldn't be dragging the hose around inside. That's why it needs to move. Okay, also while I'm sitting here, sitting next to the hibiscus. And if you saw my video where I talked about what to do in fall with the hibiscus, well, it's spring. So you'd think it'd be ready to be cut, but it's not. It doesn't have any new growth yet, so I could cut it. It would be okay, but it's just not ready. Let's take a look. Here it is. There's some Vinca or myrtle. I don't know why I put the hose between the hibiscus stems, but I'm just looking for any leaf buds. No new growth. You can see the stems that I had cut in previous years. Sometimes they just come out like that, which is nice. But it's just good to leave these stems so that you don't step on it or forget about it, because the new growth is so fragile, I guess. And then it blocks animals from eating it. I don't know which animals eat it. So you just wait impatiently until late spring. By the way, I did find growth on either the Ernst or the other one next to the Ernst, so hopefully I cut them correctly. I think that looks okay. The Clematis is going to have to travel a little bit. That's okay for now. I know some people don't like bricks, but what if I lined up just a line of bricks along this whole edge? I think that would be a nice defining accent. I think I decided what I'm going to do is pull up this yellow rose. It's dinky anyway and probably wishes it had way more sunlight. Plant it somewhere else and then put the weeping willow right there. Kind of between the Clematis, and maybe one day the weeping willow will act as a trellis for the Clematis. That's the rose. I ran out of biotones, I'm just using plant tone. By pulling it out too eagerly, I split this, root that's growing way over there, which made it come from there. So I'm going to break that off and then hope it's okay. That was the worst digging up ever, but there it is. Hopefully it survives. I can't wait till it fills in this space. I think it looks good if it survives. Much better placement. And then right there, I might do like a little brick path. Not a good handle for gardeners, in my opinion. Or nozzle, whatever. Apparently you're supposed to make like a moat around, and I think I did that. I think it looks good. I'm gonna cut that off as soon as the water goes down, the part that I tore. But it has buds. Weeping, or just pussy willow is really resilient, so should take. I was thinking about maybe getting some obelisks for the peonies, since they flop, you could just put one around there and it would grow through it and look nice. I don't know. Here's a weeping hidden cherry. This will be the first year for us for flowers. So excited. This is a good spot for early bulbs, I think, and annuals. I decided it'd be a good idea to do an experiment and put all the debris in this bowl and see if I can get some good dirt. Just gonna pack it. Okay, this is definitely not the finished design, but I think that will be very helpful. Know what I mean? That's it for today. I have to make dinner, and also it's going to rain, so I don't need to water anything. Bye. Okay, it's safe from the rain. I'll empty it another time.